Xbox Series X price just leaked, and it's shockingly high. Ooh.
Were we close?
Well, we only guessed the PlayStation 5.
Oh, yeah.
And you had that at 600 and I had it at 500, which isn't really fair because most people had it at 500 and you decided to go to 600. Well, you were right, but except apparently that's going to be for the Xbox Series X. This was leaked by Alana Pierce on the Kinda Funny Xcast. Apparently, a retail source told Pierce the Xbox Series X will cost nearly $600, which is surprising because previous rumors had suggested the console could cost as low as $400. Current rumors put the PlayStation at $500. Does Xbox really think they can charge more for the Series X without Halo? $600?
Yeah,
well,
that's tough.
I'm just going to go ahead and say something here, if you don't mind. Maybe this is because they're going to have the dual approach at launch. They have the S model, which is going to be the savings model for anyone who with the cost sensitivity, and then they sell this one for $600. Apparently, we're supposed to learn more about the budget model fairly soon. We've seen the controller leak, the packaging leak, the renders of the cube-like design. This will be the non-4K gaming version of the next generation console. That's the S. I suppose I could see that. Also, look, this is just a tip at the moment. Maybe we wait and see. Maybe they wait to see how the market shakes out. They don't need to commit to a price right now. They could change it at a certain point. They could even go into their own pockets and lose money on the thing. It's not like they haven't lost money on consoles in the past. Maybe it depends on how well their cloud gaming platform does. Subsidize the cost, and then all of a sudden they're like, "We look at that. We can sell it to you for $100 less." I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but you let me know down in the comments. Is $600 too much? Are you willing to pay $600? What if the PlayStation is $500? Or do you even need 4K gaming? And maybe you're more interested in the S model anyways, and 1080p is possible.